What up? Got this cheap Amazon alarm system. Stuffed her under the seat. You get this little remote. You know, it looks all official. Got an arm button. We'll arm it. Does that, then it makes a little I assume that means it's armed. I got the steering locked because I would imagine if you're going to set an alarm, you're going to lock your steering. Gives you a warning. Alright, now it goes off. I mean, I guess it's probably better than nothing, right? You're not going to be able to walk away without it going off. I haven't even read the directions other than plug in charger to activate. I did that. I threw her in there. Yeah, it makes all kinds of noises, huh? And I guess it's done. So they could wait it out. Unplug the mic and see how loud it is without that. I think it would get a few people's attention, especially if you're in a parking lot, crowded area. Plenty windy and noisy out here. So yeah, I just got it under the seat. Because I mean, they can't really get there under the seat. You know, zip tied it right here. I could stick it here, put it there. I threw some zip ties on. It ain't going nowhere. It's got a little sticky pad. USB rechargeable. Apparently the battery lasts a while. I could probably get in there and get it. Who knows? Could have just left it in here. So all in all, $20. I mean, what are you gonna do, right? I'll leave a picture of it because there's really doesn't seem to be any kind of name brand attached to it, even on the directions. So it's probably sold under a bunch of different names. Yes, I think this alarmed best use. It's perfect for someone like me. You know, light duty use. Not for a heavy crime area. They're just gonna walk away with it anyway. Throw it in the back of a van, who cares? But if you paired it up with a disc lock, you know, that's more security. That's all on you, right? If I gotta park this thing somewhere unattended, even at work, I'm not taking it, you know? I'll drive my car, leave it locked up in the garage. Everybody's got their own risk level, depending upon where you live and where you leave it, but best defense is just don't give them a chance to take it in the first place. You know, it's an expensive little toy and a giant hassle if someone steals it. Odds of you getting it back are about zero. And do you want it back? Probably not. Now you gotta deal with insurance, Mickey Mouse bullshit. I think a $20 alarm, you know, if I have to park it somewhere and run in a gas station quick, that's fine. Keep people maybe from just messing with it. Nothing's gonna keep them from stealing it. But it's gonna break a lot of noise and draw some attention. Maybe somebody will see something. Everybody's got cameras these days. You know, my opinion on getting your bike stolen and alarms and all that crap is if you are consistently driving your bike and parking it in the same spot, like say work, outside a company, day after day after day, people are going to see that. They're going to know your schedule. They're going to watch it. If it's a bike they want, they're going to put more time into it, right? Not just joyriding it. They're going to know the right time to come get it. Especially if it sits out all night, like me. Working night shift, there ain't nobody around, right? Terrible lighting. If you got some old beater, probably got nothing to worry about. Maybe that's your best defense. Get yourself a big heavy tank like a Goldwing nobody fucking wants. Then you're all set.